Hey everyone, I'm Elton from the DevRel team at Circle and welcome back to Release Notes. In this release, we have expanded SwapKit to include cross-chain swaps. That means you can now swap one token for another across blockchains in a single call, not just on the same chain. So why does this matter? Before this, developers had to build separate swap, routing and cross-chain transfer logic from scratch. But now, it's just one meta call behind a single type-safe interface. To get started, simply install the standalone SwapKit or the Universal App Kit. From there, everything goes through one method, swap. As usual, you pass in the source chain, the token you're swapping from, the token you're swapping to, the amount, and here's the new part. You can now specify not just the destination chain, but also a recipient address. So the swap tokens land on the chain and in the wallet of your choosing. If this is your first time learning about swap, there's a lot more that you can customize, such as adding a custom fee, setting a slippage tolerance, or a stop limit. I'll attach all the links to the documentations below. And that is the release notes update for cross-chain swaps. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.